numbers are coming down, the cases are coming down. I'm glad that things are coming back to normal. Yesterday on the newspaper there was that GST collection was back up to what it was pre-lockdown in February. So these are good signs for the economy. These are good signs for the industry. So let's hope that things kind of get back to normal so that we can go back to normal. Because ultimately, it is the entire economy that we rely on each other to make the entire ecosystem work. On it. No, it's more like a suggestion as a person who is, I visit him very often. I have a very good relation with him. So in terms of that, I will put it forward. If it's required, then I can put a written application. Yeah.
Somewhere lacking to understand the sentiments of the people?
I would not like to comment on that politically, but ultimately, if each and every Goan feels that they are going to be hurt and it is violating their right, like we say, Mole is the lungs of our entire state. It is there. It is an ancient forest. So we need to conserve, we need to preserve, and things need to be done holistically. Just because of it can be made political. It could be whatever the reasons that are being brought up. But ultimately, we also have to look at the ecosystem. We also have to look at the balance. During this pandemic, when everything went into a lockdown, we could see the sky clearing up. We could see the rivers clean. We could see so many changes dramatically. Our monsoon came on time. We had a very healthy monsoon. So just by being in lockdown for 1 or 2 months, 1.5, 2 months, had such an impact on our entire monsoon, which is the major season for us in terms of our livelihood, in terms of our food generation. It also gave time to the environment to correct itself. It allowed animals to come out. It allowed the plants to get greener. It allowed the rivers to breathe. It gave the entire system a rest. So we fasting karda Shravana, or during Lent we go on a fast. It is basically a cleanse for the body. So this pandemic has taught us a lot of things. So we can't take our natural ecosystem for granted at the same time. We need to preserve things. We need to go hand in hand with nature. That is my take on how things are. Just because the government may there is some the protesters are saying that there is some other agenda in it. That is not and could not be entirely true. But development does come at a cost. But at the same time, we need to ensure that we don't destroy the wildlife. We don't destroy nature, because if there are no trees tomorrow, we will not have oxygen to breathe. We will have to breathe the pollution. So the lungs of Goa are contributing to our natural system. Goa is considered a green state. So we need to preserve things and be more accountable.
COVID-19 is slowly coming down, but people who had suffered from COVID, they now require some sort of therapy. After COVID illness, as Dr. Sweta Kandi has told, many problems come up. Problems of weakness, problems of cough, problems of continuing breathlessness, then other problems, sometimes loose motion they get. So they need some sort of therapy for this. That's why this center is opened up for post-COVID care. This will be looked after basically by these Ayush doctors, and they will treat them besides nutrition, besides their medicine. They will also give them tips on yoga and tips on meditative techniques and treatment for their depression and whatever issue they face. Besides this, if some people require medicine consultation and all, then our physician and other staff is always there. In this field, what I
माझ्या मुखार दवरतालो
I will
कितें
propose
सजेशन कितें आसूं शकता तुमच्या कडल्यान म्हणजे बार्देसान खंय तरी तुमी अशें
जर बार्देजान जर जागो आसा एक्वायर केल्लो जागो आसा जाल्यार आमी ते दिवंक शकता बट फ्रॉम वॉट आय हॅव गॅदर्ड समबडी हॅज सजेस्टेड वाय नॉट वेर्ना प्लेटोचेर फाटीं SEZ खातीर खूब जागो एक्वायर केल्लो बट देर आर वेरियस aspects to it. That matter also went to court, it came back. So there is a lot of land. What happens, education is a non-polluting industry. तशेंच IT is a non-polluting industry. So we need to get a balance of both. Just by bringing big industry doesn't mean that we can have Goa as an industrial zone. We can also have it as an educational hub. We could also have medical tourism. So
In terms
these
of
are
medical tourism, what are you looking at? In terms of medical tourism, what are you exactly looking at?
see now tourism it is a very detailed, you are going kind of off topic on the entire thing. That is a very debatable long term kind of question that you've asked.
आयज आमी सगळे हांगा जमा जाल्ले आसा आमचे आयुष पोस्ट कोवीड क्लिनीक इनॉग्रेशनाक. बेजिकली जे लोकांक पोस्ट कोवीड जाल्या नंतर खूब विकनस जाता, भूक सारकी लागना, न्हीद सारकी येना, मायंड कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन तेंचें सारकें उरना, हे सगळे जे तांकां सिम्पटम्स त्रास जाता हेज्या खातीर आमी हें क्लिनीक हांगा इनॉग्रेट केल्लें आसा. सो तेंच्यांनी हेचो लाभ घेवचो. आमी तांकां मेडिसीन दितली, तेंची स्ट्रेंथ वाडोवपाक, तेंची इम्युनिटी वाडोवपाक, तांकां डायट कावन्सिलींग दितली, तांकां योगा टिप्स दितली, मेडिटेशन कशें करप, मायंड कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन कशें वाडोवप, वेरी गूड डायट कशें विच वील हेल्प देम टू इम्प्रूव देयर इम्युनिटी. हे सगळें आमी तांकां ह्या क्लिनीकच्या माध्यमांतल्यान तांकां सगळ्यांक हेल्प करतली. सो हांव आयज आभार आसा खूब जोशवा MLA सर हांगा उपस्थित आसा आनी तांकां रिक्वेस्ट करता की तेंच्यांनी फोन
तुमचें नांव कितें डॉक्टर
डॉक्टर श्वेता गांधी, होमिओपॅथी
डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान हे पोस्ट कोविड केअर सेंटर आयज उद्घाटन जाल्लेलें आसा. आय एम प्राउड एंड वेरी हॅपी टू से दॅट द सेकंड facility of this kind is here in the most important part of North Goa, district hospital here at Azilo Hospital here in Maksha. Tashet, a lot of people have gone through this difficult time, this pandemic called COVID, but they are not aware of how to deal with the after effects of the entire situation. And I'm very happy that the government of Goa, along with the Honorable Health Minister, Dr. Shajit Rane, and Dr. Pramod Sawant, our Honorable Chief Minister, have been working tirelessly to keep and secure the lives of all our fellow Goans and ensure that we have the best facilities available to us. Tashet, I'm very happy that we have this center in Goa because a lot of people have called me personally and have asked me what do we do now. So there is that void in people's minds. They are unaware as to what is the next step. Hame fude kashe vachpac. They are scared that they may get COVID again. Can we get COVID again? If I fall sick again, what do I do? So this center is going to provide them with the necessary knowledge and the necessary tips on, like how doctor said, in terms of their diet, in terms of boosting their immunity, in terms of making their lungs stronger, whether it may be in the form of yoga or any other sort of form of exercise. So it is more like a mental kind of therapy, as well as to have that kind of security in their minds, and they know for themselves how they can deal with the situation of COVID after they have recovered. A lot of people have taken it very personally. I know a couple of people who have gotten this trauma from having COVID. They think it is the end of it's the end of everything. If you get COVID, means it is that's it. It's finished. So when they recover, they don't know. They are so scared to move out. They are so scared to meet other people that with the proper guidance that they're going to get from this center here, I'm sure that they can recover and get back to 100%. I would like our medical superintendent, Dr. Pednekar, also to share a few words.
So, what is your opinion on the issue?
See, I feel there are a lot of places that can have this project accommodated. So if those people from there are not really happy with it, I personally met the CM yesterday. I'm going to be meeting him again, maybe tomorrow or day after. I also want to put my suggestions that that is not the only place. If those people from there don't want to have it there, we can look at other locations. Because from what I've got to know that there is heavy objections from the villagers in that area.
So
I think Kushina, yesterday somebody mentioned to me that Lutoli there is a lot of government acquired land. So I propose करू शकता. See, this is one institution. See, I feel during this time, we can use this opportunity to have Goa as an educational hub. But just doing it haphazardly is not the best way forward. We need to plan it. Today it is IIT. Tomorrow we could have Harvard or even Oxford or whichever international institution here in Goa. It would be a proud moment for all us Goans as well as the entire country to have these kind of institutions in our state. And there's no other better place than Goa, right? So everybody wants to come here, but it has to be done properly.
besides this, another issue that movement is going on from South Goa, whether we talk about the